Hello and welcome to another penny stock analysis video brought to you by pennystockanalysis.com. Today the stock that we will be evaluating is EVDR Inc. They trade on the pink sheets under the symbol EVDR and their website is evdrcorp.com, as you can see on the bottom of the screen. And this company's main subsidiary, Avatar Singh Construction Company, is a very successful Indian construction company that builds many of the large infrastructure projects throughout India. So on we move to our first chart of EVDR, and this first one that we are looking at is an on-balance volume chart. So again, the top chart is the daily price, and the bottom chart is the on-balance volume. And the reason I've highlighted these orange circles is so that you can see the divergence of the two charts. In other words, as this price of EVDR is going down, in fact the on-balance volume has remained steady. In other words, at this price there will be resistance and actually buyers of the stock, and that seems to be occurring, and which is a very good sign for a reversal in trend. The next chart we are looking at now is the relative strength index, which, as we can see, is on the bottom with the price chart on the top. And again, these orange circles on the price chart and the relative strength index are there to highlight the disparity. And what we see here is the price has come down to about 0.003. However, the relative strength index, actually does not fall anywhere near as sharply at the price of the stock, and in fact has been leveling out. The other thing you should notice is that the relative strength index is actually in the 20 to 30 range, which is right in that wheelhouse that says that it's time to buy the stock. And last but certainly not least, our third indicator that we are looking at is the momentum chart. So again, price on the top, momentum chart on the bottom. And what we should absolutely notice here is that in the orange circle on the top, as in the previous two charts, the price has fallen sharply and is settled here at about 0.003. However, the momentum chart is in fact doing the opposite. It is actually moving in an upward trend, and that's a very strong sign that a reversal in trend is coming, and that the stock should have an uptick very shortly. As we come to the conclusion of this video, we can easily see that EVDR has been unnecessarily beaten down in price. However, there are three very strong signs that were exemplified and shown in this video. The first is that despite the strong price decrease, the on-balance volume has not suffered at all. It has flattened out, which means people are accumulating the stock. Second, the relative strength index has been beaten down to 20 or 30, which means the stock is clearly oversold and is in fact in a good position to buy with a great discount built in. And a very bullish sign is that despite this price decrease, the momentum chart is on the uprise, which is a very strong bullish sign that the stock is ready for an uptick. And especially given the great news that EVDR has released over the last month, there's no doubt this company is heading in the right direction, and now is a good time to consider buying stock and taking advantage of the discount that currently exists. So, from Penny Stock Analysis and pennystockanalysis.com, happy investing.